Hi, welcome back. This is just another quick video of what's going on and what I'm up to lately. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Subscribing helps me out a lot, so keep on subscribing. Thank you very much to everyone who already has subscribed, and thank you very much to everyone who subscribes in the future. You are awesome. Also, you can check me out on Instagram at Clargo Garage. All right, so I'm basically just finishing up packing for my trip. I have a couple little small things left to make sure I've packed and make sure I'm ready. I got one more shift of work, and then I'm heading out the following day. So today is Monday the 15th of July. So I work Tuesday the 16th, and then I'm hitting the road Wednesday the 17th. I'm leaving from Ontario, and I'm heading all the way out to the west coast. On part of my route, there's potentially some forest fires. I've looked online at a lot of different stuff, and some of the stuff I'm looking at, it looks pretty bad, and then other stuff I'm looking at, it looks not too bad, looks pretty good actually. And I did try calling a couple gas stations in a couple different areas, and it sounds not too bad, so I may end up actually doing this northern portion. But let's take a quick look at my map. So this is my map. This is home for me in Ontario there, and this is not drawn to scale, but I'll be coming up through Winnipeg and then heading north and going into Edmonton, and then it's this area up here that seems really bad on a lot of the stuff for forest fires. But if I stick to my plan, I'll be leaving Edmonton and then heading north. If things seem really bad, I'll change route most likely and come down this way, and then maybe right down here, maybe skip the whole northern portion altogether. But if things stay as planned, I'll be coming up and stopping at Fort Laird and getting some gas up in the Northwest Territories, and then coming back down into BC, and then back up to Watson Lake, and then heading down. And at that point, I'm only 65 kilometers from the Alaska border, so I'd make a pit stop in Alaska, just to say I did, and then I'd work my way down to Prince George, Vancouver, and then up and over, and then work my way back home. So if you are in the Northwest Territories, the Yukon, or northern BC, and you have any information on these fires or anything going on up here, or how it's going to be on a bike right now, because I don't want to take any chances. So if you have any information on that, that'd be great. So, but this seems to be the biggest problem area. So I'll be passing through this weekend coming up of July. So it'd be like Friday the 19th and the 20th. If I end up doing this northern portion of 2024. So if anybody that has any good info on whether it's doable or not right now, definitely leave a comment. It'll help me out big time and make sure that I'm safe. But overall, it's going to be pretty awesome. I'm definitely looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of mileage in a short amount of time, but it's going to be pretty good. And if I do have to cut out this northern portion this year, I'll have to come back another year and do that. And dropping down here will still be good, and I can do some riding. It should be pretty awesome. So basically that's all I've been up to, is just trying to spend some time with the family before I take off, and getting prepared for my trip, making sure everything's packed and I'm not forgetting anything, and the bike's in good shape and ready to go. And working too. So not too much overly exciting for cool stuff I'm working on. It's really just been getting ready for this trip. But definitely, if you have any information on any forest fires or anything along that route that I'm taking, especially that northern portion, that's the portion that I'm most concerned about. I definitely don't want to take any chances and get caught in really heavy smoke, or get caught in a fire. That'd be even worse. So I don't want to take any chances with that. But if you see me on the road, definitely give a big honk and a wave, and hopefully I'll have some good footage for when I get back to edit, and it'll be pretty good. Thanks for watching, and maybe I'll see you on the road. Safe travels.